Want your Mac to feel twice as fast? Try these quick, actionable tips. Free up storage, empty the trash, delete large files, and clear downloads. Close background apps, open Activity Monitor and quit energy-hungry processes. Disable unnecessary login items so fewer apps launch at startup. Keep macOS and apps up to date. Updates often include speed fixes. Quick baseline, time an app launch now so you can compare later. Consider hardware upgrades, switch to an SSD or add more RAM for major gains. Reduce visual effects, turn off transparency and limit motion and accessibility. Clear caches and temp files with a trusted cleanup tool or built-in maintenance commands. Automate maintenance, schedule regular restarts and enable optimized storage. Now compare, apps launch faster, multitasking is smoother, you should notice real improvements. Try these tips today and see the difference. Subscribe for more Mac performance hacks.